Pompoms aren't just for fluffy bunny tails anymore. These soft, multi-purpose balls of yarn can be used to create or add to just about any craft. We just happen to have a craft that takes pom-poms to a whole new level. If you search for Pom Pom Wreaths online for purchase, you'll see them priced into the hundreds of dollars. Lucky for you, our version is significantly less expensive. Plus, you'll have the added satisfaction and bragging rights of creating it yourself. Start with a variety of yarns in your favorite colors, or choose just one color for a simple yet elegant wreath. Using your hand to make the pom-poms is certainly the least expensive option. However, there are pom-pom makers available for purchase for just a few dollars. Yarn can be purchased in a variety of weights, thickness, and ply, the number of twists in a strand, and the yarn you choose will contribute to the look of your wreath. Thicker yarns will create fuller-looking pom-poms. Creating pom-poms of different sizes for your wreath will add an extra dimension to your design. Pom Pom wreaths can be made for specific holidays, special occasions, or no occasion at all. Match the colors of the nursery for a baby shower, or give as a lovely housewarming gift to hang on the front door or over a mantle. A custom pom-pom wreath would make a heartfelt gift for any special person in your life.